Hi, in this video, I will discuss about the how we can insert the data into table in graphical user interface. So let's see the practical approach. So first I will have to create a basic table. So here I'm just creating one table. The table name will be employee. So I need to activate Udemy database. So here I'm taking use Udemy. Okay, run this command. So now you can see here Udemy database has been activated. Now what you have to do, you need to create one table. So create table and table name will be employee. So here I'm taking employee, bracket start, you have to take here bracket close. Now what you have to do, you need to take here name. I'm taking here name and varchar, and here I'm taking data type maximum limit. This is the maximum limit. Now I will take here department, and here I will take worker again, and here I will take 50 characters. Now comma, now I will take here salary, and data type should be big int. So I have created one table. This is a table name employee. So you can see here I have executed this command. I have already executed. That's why I'm getting this error, because I have tried to execute second time. That's why I'm getting this error. Now my table is blank. So you can see here I'm writing select a star from employee. Run it. Now this table is blank. Now you have to pick the data into this table through the graphical user interface. First, you need to refresh this database. Refresh. Now you have to go to table menu, table option, and here you need to click on employee table, right click here and click on edit 200 row. So see here, you will get a pop-up. So now, meanwhile, I'm just opening one Excel file. So basic. So see here, this is the blank table. Now I will click on this star. After clicking on this star, complete row will be selected. Now you have to open any Excel file where I will copy the data. So I'm just taking basic. As of now, I'm not getting any data. So I'm just moving on my desktop, and here I'm just opening any folder. So here I click on training, and I'm just taking SQL data. After opening the SQL data Excel file, you have to pick here three columns. Which columns? So as per this table, I need to take name, department and salary. Same name, department and salary I will take. So here it's opening. Yeah. So now I will move on that particular sheet. So here I need to take name, department and basic salary. So you have to copy this data. Okay, in same sequence, you have to copy the data, name, department and salary. So you have to copy the data and you have to go to SQL server. You have to click on star and paste, control V. Now 200 data can be possible to paste here. Okay. So now I'm getting error here. Let's see why I'm getting error. Yeah. So now error has been removed. So now you have data into this table. So if you want to check, you have to go to query window and run this. So see here, I'm getting data. So this is a way to import the data into, uh, table. Okay. So I will write down the command to import the data into table one by one. So this is a bulk insert into our table. That's all for this video. I will come up with new video. Thank you so much.